Hello everyone, I'm Trey Downs and this is my passion project. In this video, I'll be showing my before and after edits as I was on a hike with a group of friends. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing my step-by-step process of how I edit. Enjoy. I decided to bring my GoPro and my camera so that I could film and take pictures of the hike. It isn't very often that we get to hang out with each other anymore, so I just wanted to capture the memories that we made. If you're wondering where the hike is at, the trail is called Hidden and Lost Lake, and it's near Cascade. It's a very fun hike, and I highly recommend it.
All I want's my kids to have some nepotism. All I want's my wealth to have some repetition. Call my humble son and tell him that's the mission. Tell him that's the vision. Yeah. Tell him that's the mission. Yeah. Tell him that's the vision.
This is kind of sketch. Oh, this is crazy.
We can make this go again. We can make this go. All I want's my kids to have some nepotism. All I want's my wealth to have some repetition. Call my humble son and tell him that's the mission. Tell him that's the vision. Yeah. Tell him that's the mission. Yeah. An immigrant, so my humble son, so my humble daughter.
Oh, dude, I'm getting a blister on my big toe. Yeah.
Nepotism, you know how badly I want some nepotism in my life.
Wow. Let's get down. What? There's goats. All right. If I break an ankle, it's their fault. Bro, you see me speed on that? Is that LeBron James over there?
Yeah, on that. Oh, that's where I want to get over there. Oh wait, no, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Don't look at the camera though.
No, you can look at the camera now.
This is how I get my pictures looking like this to this. First step is to increase the exposure. Put a little contrast into it. Just so you could bring out more of the shadows, a little bit more of the whites. We'll adjust the highlights because they're kind of blown out. Drop them down to around 60. Bring the shadows up. Just so you can see more facial features of my friend right here. Then you don't really have to touch any of the whites, but I will decrease it a little bit and decrease the black so you can see more of his shadow. And then in the vibrance and saturation, I like to decrease a lot of the vibrance and then increase a lot of the saturation. Now it just makes the colors look better for me. I could see his arm has kind of an orange hint. It's kind of too warm, so I'm gonna decrease it just a little bit. Decrease yellow, just so that kind of looks like a normal skin tone. And I'll go into luminance because I kind of want this red to not be as bright. So that looks better. And then we're gonna go into the masks, and I'm gonna mask subject. See, there's a little bit down here, so you grab the brush, just get that out of the way. Then here we're going to bring back more color so they can pop more. Just a little bit of exposure and highlights, just so that he pops a little bit more. Maybe a little bit of saturation, like 5. It's looking good. And then a linear gradient from the bottom. I'm gonna decrease the exposure a ton. And we're gonna get to the clarity, increase it a lot. And I'll adjust this so it doesn't have such a harsh effect on it. Then I'm gonna bring a linear gradient from the top, decrease the exposure, gonna decrease the dehaze onto it. I'm gonna adjust the exposure from there. Let's see, it just brings the focus more into the subject. Gonna add a radial gradient. You can get that by pressing Shift and M. So I'm thinking like this is the light from the sun, and the sun is going from left to right. So you want to put the radial gradient onto the left and bring it so it covers a majority of the screen. And then you're gonna increase the exposure so it kind of looks like sun, and then bring the temperature to around 15, just so it's kind of warm. Now it's the sun. I'm gonna get another radial gradient and make sure it fits within the subject, and I'm gonna scroll up and press invert, and then it kind of brings a vignette onto the subject. Extra one is you could select the sky if you want the sky to be more blue than what it is. You can decrease the temperature so that it looks more blue. Increase the exposure. That's pretty much it. It's your final picture right there. Before and after. Boom. Thanks for watching.